Hi, boys and girls. Your teacher has read you the book Just the Way I Am. And now we're going to look at different parts of the story, and you're going to put the pictures in order by what happened at the beginning, middle, and end. For this story, you're going to need the following materials. You're going to need these retelling cards and your iPad. If you don't have those now, pause the video and go and get them. Good job. Boys and girls, what I want you to do is I want you to put these picture cards in order by what happened first, which would be at the beginning, what happened next, which would be the middle, and what happened at the end of the story. That would be last. Then I want you to retell the story to your teacher with a little video on Seesaw or Class Dojo. Have fun as you retell the story Just the Way I Am to your teacher.